ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-23 गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. The shloka is गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञानावस्थितचेतसः यज्ञायाचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. पदच्छेदैः गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञान अवस्थितचेतसः यज्ञाय आचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषण. अन्ये सुबन्ताः गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञानावस्थितचेतसः यज्ञाय समग्रं कर्म आचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. Note, it is interesting syntax that the vakyamsha samagram karma can be, rather needs to be, in the karmapatiyaha column in 23-2 and implicitly in kartrupatiyaha column in 23-3. The word samagram can be interpreted both as adjective of karma or adverbial of praviliyate. Padabhyasa. The vakyam is गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञान अवस्थित चेतसः समग्रं कर्म यज्ञाय आचरतः समग्रं कर्म प्रविलीयते और कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. गतसंगस्य गतसंग विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनं. गतः संगः यस्य सः गतसंगः बहुव्रीहि. संगः संज भावे घै. कमिंग टुगेदर, जॉइनिंग, मीटिंग, union, confluence as of rivers, touch, contact, company, association, friendship, attachment, fondness, desire. Attachment or to worldly ties, association with men. The subject or cause, hetu, of attachment. Muktasya, mukta visheshanam. Atra pullingam षष्ठी एकवचनम. Mukta, past participle, mucht, loosened, relaxed, slackened, set free, liberated, relaxed, finally saved or emancipated, absolved or emancipated from sin or worldly existence. Ktaha, one who is finally emancipated from the bonds of worldly existence, one who has renounced all worldly attachments and secured final beatitude, an absolved saint, mukta. ज्ञानावस्थित चेतसः, ज्ञानावस्थित चेतस प्रातिपदिकम. विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनं. ज्ञानेन अवस्थितम् इति ज्ञानावस्थितं तृतीया तत्पुरुषः. ज्ञानावस्थितं चेतः यस्य सः ज्ञानावस्थित चेताः बहुव्रीहि. अवस्थितम् अवस्था धातोः क्त विशेषणम् अवस्थित. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अवस्थित पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. फर्म ऑफ पर्पज, स्टेडी, engaged in prosecuting, following, abiding by. And jnanavasthita chetasa, for avasthitam, same example which has been given of this shloka, Bhagavad Gita 4-23. Chetaha, chetas, नाम, नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. चेतस, नॉइटर. चित्करणे असुन, कॉन्शियसनेस, सेंस, thinking soul, reasoning faculty, the mind, heart, soul, will. ज्ञानावस्थित चेतसा or ज्ञानावस्थित चेताः, one whose mind is steadfast by virtue of spiritual knowledge. यज्ञाय, यज्ञ, नाम, पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम. यज्ञः, यज् भावे न, a sacrifice, sacrificial rite, any offering or oblation, an act of worship, an act of offering, any pious or devotional act. आचरतः, आचरत विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगं षष्ठी एकवचनम्. आचर धातोः शत्रु विशेषणम् आचरत. आचर टू परफॉर्म. कर्म, कर्मन, नाम, नपुंसकलिंगम. Note, In the Vakyamshaha, Samagram Karma Yajnaya Acharataha. It is Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Karma is Dvitiya Ekvachanam. In the Vakyamshaha, Samagram Karma Praviliyate, it is Prathama Ekvachanam. Samagram. If the Vakyamshaha is Samagram Karma, it is adjective of karma. If the Vakyamshaha is Samagram Acharataha or Samagram Praviliyate, it is adverbial. Praviliyate. Pravili dhatoh कर्मणि प्रयोगे लटि प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम. ली लीन श्लेषणे टू एडहियर, टू बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड, टू डिसॉल्व, टू यूनाइट. दिवादि चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. अकर्मकः अनिट. ली श्लेषणे टू एडहियर, टू बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड, टू गेट डिसॉल्व. क्रियादि नवमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. अकर्मकः अनिट. ली द्रवीकरणे टू मेल्ट, टू मेक थिन. चुरादि दशमगणीयः उभयपदी. सकर्मकः सेट. सारांशतः ओवरऑल मीनिंग. दिस इज टेकन फ्रॉम ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ गीता रहस्य of Lokmanya Tilak, as available at https://archive.org/details etc. You can click this shot and search on the internet for this particular link. गतसंगस्य मुक्तस्य ज्ञानावस्थितचेतसः यज्ञाय आचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. He who is without attachment, गतसंगः, free from love and hate, mukta, whose mind is concentrated on knowledge, jnana avasita chetasa, in the shape of an equable reason, and he performs, and who performs actions merely for the purpose of a yajna, his entire karma is destroyed. Chando Vishleshan. Gatasangasya muktasya ashtraksharani sya muktasya etesham matraha एका द्वे द्वे. ज्ञानावस्थिते चेतसः अष्टाक्षराणि तचेत एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. यज्ञायाचरतः कर्म अष्टाक्षराणि रतः कर्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. समग्रं प्रविलीयते अष्टाक्षराणि विलीय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः इन 4-23. टिप्पण्यः. Notes of self-study. The notes below are for 4 shlokaha, 4-20 to 4-23 together. Why are these notes for 4 shlokaha together? The thought has been that the words and phrases in these 4 shlokaha enumerate the qualities essential for a person to be called a pandita, if not a Buddha. The qualities are 1. Karma phalasangam tyaktavan. He who has given up association with the fruit or result of action. Nityatruptaha, ever contented. Nirashrayaha, one who does not possess a reason which has taken shelter, ashrayaha, in the means of obtaining the fruit of action by wishing to do a particular action. Karmanyabhipravrittopi naiva kinchit karoti. Doing nothing whatsoever, though he may be engrossed in performing actions. Nirashihi, having no expectations, no aspirations. Yata chittatma, having control on mind. Takta sarva parigraha, one who has given up receiving anything. Kevalam shariram karma kurvan, performing actions only for sustenance of body. Naiva kilvisham aptavan, not getting any blemish. Yadruchha lavhasantushtaha, contented with whatever is obtained by chance. Dvandvat itaha, one who has overcome all doubts, one who has transcended all dualities. Vimatsaraha, not having envy or enmity unto anybody, having no greed, having no inferiority complex, having no selfish interest. Siddhava siddhav samaha, one who considers it the same whether there is success for the action or not. Gata sangaha, he who is without attachment, free from love and hate, etc. Muktaha, one who is finally emancipated from the bonds of worldly existence, one who has renounced all worldly attachments and secured final beatitude in an absolved saint. Jnanavasita chaitaha, one whose mind is concentrated on knowledge in the shape of an equable reason. Samagram karma yajnaya acharan, who performs actions merely for the purpose of a yajna, rather performing all actions only as yajna, that is, offering to the Supreme. Comes to mind our visit to Rome on April 25th, 2010, when we could not visit the Vatican because a beatification, the ceremony of according sainthood, was scheduled on that day. See this link at https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/angelo_paoli. It seems beatification by the Papal Council is similar to Buddhaha, according the qualification Pandita to a person. But there seems to be a big difference. Buddhaha can call a person Pandita even when he is living. Beatification requires proof of miracles experienced posthumously. In the list of qualities enumerated above, there is no mention of miracles. Though, to be able to inculcate all these qualities, 17 qualities, is nothing less than a miracle. To me, Buddhaha, according the qualification Pandita to a person, seems more like a panel of persons with doctoral qualification, themselves already having doctoral qualification in a particular subject, awarding doctorate to a candidate based on his research thesis, which he has to defend in front of the panel. Or this could be considered similar to a committee awarding Nobel Prizes to different persons in different subjects. The qualification Buddha or even the qualification Pandita is in respect of philosophical, rather spiritual attainment. The mute point actually is, does the qualification matter to the person? Does he inculcate the qualities with any aspiration for that qualification? He is already कर्मफला संगम त्यक्तवान नित्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः निराशीः त्यक्त सर्वपरिग्रह सिद्धावसिद्धौ समः, which all have the meaning being devoid of any aspiration. The 17 qualities seem to excel beyond all virtues also, beyond extreme virtuosity, which state of gunatitata is suggested, rather advocated, in गुणानेतानति इत्यत्रीन देही देहसमुद्भवान जन्म मृत्यु जरा दुःखैर विमुक्तो मृतमश्नुते 14-20. Gunan etan atityatrin, by transcending these three grades, tamaha rajahat sattvam, one becomes vimuktaha, attains emancipation from janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi, the anxieties of birth, death, aging and ill health, attains immortality, amrutam ashnute. Interesting it is to note that gunatitata is even beyond extreme virtuosity. There are lists of virtues in Adveshta Sarvabhutanam 12-13 to 12-19, also in 13-7 to 13-11, again in 16-1 to 16-3, and also in 18-42 to 18-44. Some virtues do repeat. It would become a good exercise to compile a non-repetitive list of virtues. There is a list of vices also in the 16th chapter. Alternatively, antonyms of virtues become vices. The basic idea of these lists, including the list of 17 qualities of a Buddha or Pandita, can be taken to be checklists for self-assessment, for us to check for ourselves how good or how bad we are and strive for upgrading ourselves. Study of Gita is benevolent because one gets these nicely versified checklists. Shubhamastu.